Something unbelievable just happened at Tesla's secret lab. A robot, not a human, just learned Kung Fu. Yes, you heard that right, Kung Fu. Elon Musk's newest creation, Optimus, just stunned the world. The video was short, raw, but jaw-dropping. A metallic humanoid performing flawless martial movements, balancing, dodging, striking, almost like a living being. But here's what most people missed completely. This wasn't made to impress Wall Street investors. It wasn't designed for flashy headlines or hype. It was a message to the engineers. Tesla's silent call to the smartest minds alive. A coded signal saying, "Join us or get left behind." Because Optimus isn't just another robotic experiment. It's the foundation of a new industrial revolution. One where machines will think, move, and evolve. Imagine a world where robots train like athletes. Every move refining balance, agility, and reaction time. Tesla's team isn't programming motion. They're teaching intuition. The robot learns through feedback, not just code. Each twist, fall, and recovery rewires its neural network. This isn't just automation. It's evolution in motion. And it's happening faster than anyone imagined. While critics laughed, Tesla quietly built the impossible. Most still think Optimus is just for show. But those inside know something far bigger is brewing. Elon Musk's vision isn't a single robot. It's an army. Millions of humanoids transforming factories, logistics, and homes. A new workforce born entirely from metal and code. And here's the part that truly shakes reality. Optimus isn't being trained for combat at all. Kung Fu is just a gateway to agility. To survive real-world chaos, robots need instinct. A factory floor can be as unpredictable as battle. Only machines that learn balance can truly work independently. This is Tesla's genius, teaching physics through movement. Engineers watching that clip didn't see entertainment. They saw opportunity. I saw data, algorithms, and breakthroughs in motion. Every frame screamed, "We're solving human motion with code." This kind of progress rewrites textbooks overnight. Suddenly, the best minds in robotics took notice. The video wasn't just a showcase. It was a recruitment beacon. Tesla is assembling a dream team of thinkers and builders. They're merging machine precision with human grace. Elon Musk knows exactly what he's doing here. In 2025, his performance milestones are enormous. He must deliver 1 million humanoid robots, not prototypes, fully functional, deployable machines, plus 1 million robotaxis on public roads. An AI software ecosystem will connect them all together. This isn't science fiction, it's an industrial mandate. The stakes have never been higher for Tesla. What's unfolding right now could redefine humanity itself. If Optimus succeeds, labor will never be the same. Factories could run endlessly, powered by tireless robots. Warehouses might breathe without human presence inside. Everyday people may one day own robotic assistants. The line between tool and partner will disappear forever. Tesla's robot isn't learning Kung Fu for fun, it's learning to move like life itself. So, let's talk about something important. Clarity in communication. When sharing a script, every sentence deserves its own moment. Mixing sentences? That's a recipe for confusion. Each visual should reflect a single thought, clearly and distinctly. Imagine a world where every idea stands alone, powerful and precise. This isn't just about visuals, it's about respect for the message. Every sentence is a building block of understanding. Repetition? Not in this script. Each visual is unique. Think of it as a gallery. where each piece tells its own story. This is how we elevate our communication to the next level. Let's embrace clarity and let each idea shine on its own. In the end, it's all about making our message resonate. Every clip whispers, "Look what's possible. Can you do better?" Thousands of bright minds suddenly want in. Tesla isn't hiring workers, it's summoning creators. Meanwhile, investors are confused. Critics are skeptical. They compare Tesla's robot to Boston Dynamics' precision routines. They don't see what's happening under the surface. Boston Dynamics programs performance. Tesla programs intelligence. It's the difference between memory and comprehension. Optimus doesn't just repeat, it learns to adapt. That's the key to true autonomy, awareness. Behind the scenes, Tesla's AI engineers are obsessed. They're merging the brain of a car with the body of a human. Every robot learns from collective experiences, globally and instantly. A single robot's mistake becomes everyone's lesson overnight. That's not training. That's evolution through connection. It's the birth of a robotic hive mind. Think about that for a second. When one robot learns balance, a million more improve. When one learns a faster reflex, all upgrade together. This is exponential growth, not linear development. I've been thinking about how Tesla's robots aren't just evolving yearly. They're evolving daily. The pace of this change is both terrifying and beautiful. But not everyone is celebrating this rise of the machines. Some people are worried about a potential labor collapse worldwide. Others fear that robots might replace human purpose altogether. Yet, Elon Musk sees it differently. He views it as liberation. He imagines a future where robots handle the work for us. This allows humans to pursue creativity, invention, and self-growth freely. That's the paradox of progress, finding freedom through automation. To achieve this dream, Optimus must master motion. It needs to move with grace, intuition, and precision. That's why the Kung Fu video was so significant. It wasn't just a gimmick. It was proof of progress, proof that motion can be learned just like thought. When AI learns how to move, it learns to live. People might laugh now, but history remembers the firsts. Tesla's Optimus will be remembered as the spark that gave metal the rhythm of motion, the spark that ignited the era of mechanical life. And as Elon Musk stands quietly behind the curtain, he knows humanity has already crossed a new line. As Tesla forges ahead, the noise around it intensifies. Critics mock, analysts express doubt, and rivals scoff openly. They label Optimus as a mere sideshow, a marketing gimmick. Yet, with every laugh, Tesla digs in and works harder. Behind the laughter lies a deep-seated fear of change. Once Optimus proves its worth, everything will shift dramatically. Skeptics always emerge first during monumental changes. They once ridiculed electricity, dismissed rockets, and doubted the internet. Now, their sights are set on robotics, the next game changer. Elon Musk thrives on skepticism and opposition. Every jab only fuels the fire of innovation further. He understands the cycle: doubt, ridicule, then triumph. Tesla's true edge isn't just in its tech. It's an obsession, an unyielding drive to improve continuously. The company functions like a living entity of progress. Every setback morphs into insight, and every insight into mastery. That's why Tesla doesn't pursue perfection. It evolves toward it. Optimus isn't developed in silence. It's crafted through momentum. Meanwhile, elite engineers are watching closely from the sidelines. Some are secretly applying, while others are already joining Tesla's teams. They're drawn in by the allure of real-world advancements, because nothing ignites builders more than witnessing history in the making. Elon Musk doesn't just recruit, he magnetizes greatness. He gives brilliant minds something worth fighting for. Let's talk about that fighting spirit. Tesla's Kung Fu demo wasn't random or cinematic. It was symbolic. Discipline meeting intelligence through motion. Kung Fu means mastery through hard work. That's the hidden philosophy behind Tesla's robot training. Every movement is a metaphor for persistence and control. Critics never understood that symbolism, of course. They focused on the wires, the harness, the floor. They said, it's fake. Someone's controlling it remotely. But they missed the bigger truth right in front. Optimus isn't being controlled. It's being challenged to evolve. That harness isn't restriction. It's protection during growth. Even nature protects its creations before full strength. A butterfly must struggle before spreading its wings. Tesla's robot is doing the same right now. Each test teaches resilience, balance, and reaction. The Kung Fu clip was just the beginning. It was Tesla whispering, "We've barely started." Some people just can't let go of denial. Certain investors, burned by past failures, lash out publicly. They say, "This can't be real. It's all hype." But deep down, that disbelief isn't logic. It's pain. They once bet against Tesla, and Tesla won. Now they must watch their mistake grow stronger daily. Elon Musk doesn't respond with anger. He responds with action. He knows every critic is secretly a spectator of history. While they type tweets, he launches revolutions. While they mock progress, he builds the impossible. That's why Tesla stands alone in its mission today, not just building machines, building the next phase of civilization. This is no longer about cars or factories. This is about reshaping the very definition of work. Optimus represents a future powered by intelligence, not labor. A future where humanity directs purpose, not effort. And those who see it now will be remembered later. Because every era begins with one unbelievable idea. The sun is rising on a new civilization. Not one of nations, but of intelligence. Tesla's Optimus is no longer a prototype. I've seen this everywhere lately. But is it really as amazing as they say? Let's dive in. Day 1. Skin? A bit rough around the edges. Expectations? Not high. Just hoping for a miracle. Day 7. Hold on. Is that progress? My skin feels smoother. Not a miracle yet, but we're definitely getting somewhere. Day 30. Wait. My pores? Almost gone. My glow? Unbelievable. Confidence through the roof. Okay, I'm officially obsessed. Join the #GlowUp challenge and share your transformation. With progress comes an invisible tension. A question echoes through innovation halls. When does a machine stop obeying and start choosing? When motion becomes thought, thought becomes intention. Intention is the spark of awareness itself. Tesla stands closer to that spark than anyone else. Elon isn't chasing godhood, he's chasing balance. He wants coexistence, not domination by machines. A partnership where humans and robots build together. Where physical labor no longer limits human ambition. Imagine factories working 24 hours without fatigue. Imagine cities maintained by tireless, graceful robotic hands. That's the world Optimus is meant to create. A society where ideas matter more than effort. Where progress is no longer slowed by exhaustion. That's the world Elon Musk envisions each night. Not dystopia, but harmony between man and machine. It's not science fiction anymore. It's unfolding in real time. Soon, Tesla's assembly lines won't just make cars. They'll produce armies of intelligent, learning humanoids, each robot trained by the data of all others. Every improvement shared instantly across the global network. That's not just production, it's evolution at scale, and it's happening faster than anyone dares to admit. But here's the final truth most people ignore. Optimus isn't the end. It's the beginning. It's the seed of an entirely new ecosystem. A world where intelligence is no longer biological, where life isn't born, it's built, and humanity stands both creator and companion to its offspring. History will remember this era differently someday, not as the rise of robots, but as awakening. The moment humanity decided to evolve beyond limits. Tesla's Optimus is that moment captured in motion. Every kick, every stance, every balance, a symbol. A symbol that the future now walks among us. So, the next time you see that robot move, don't see steel and sensors. See destiny unfolding. Because once machines learn to think, creation changes forever. The question isn't if they'll replace us, it's how we'll rise with them. Tesla didn't just build a robot, it built a mirror. And in that reflection, humanity finally meets its next form.